Hey everyone, Know-It-All Phil here, doing another review. Today we're doing the Husky 52-inch industrial tool chest and cabinet combo. I like Husky tools. Husky does a nice job with all their stuff. This is a matte black finish, powder coated. Steel construction, all welded. Comes with 12 outlets, 4 USB ports. The drawers are 120 pound rated. Ball bearing, soft close, drawer slides. It's got some pretty nice storage space. Has 6-inch by 2-inch casters. Heavy duty. They got a nice design on them. Kind of looks like a rim for a car. Has a magnetic backing to hold your tools. Comes with this Allen key to mount the handle on the side. And also, nice little feature, a bottle opener. Comes with all the drawer liners with the Husky logo, of course. They're full extension drawers. And what's nice about this tool chest, this has a solid wood top workstation that pulls out from the bottom drawer on the top chest. And it also has hinges on it to get into the bottom compartment. Nice storage space, deep drawers. I didn't get a chance to put the liners in these drawers yet. I just got the box. Here are the liners for the bottom cabinet. Just like to note that nobody gave me this box. Nobody's telling me to do this review. I bought this box for myself. This was actually my my Christmas gift to myself. Told my wife if there was anything I wanted, it was a tool chest to store my tools. It has 3 locking mechanisms. One on the top to control the drawers on the top. Total of 6 drawers plus the top chest, which closes. Gas-powered struts. And of course an LED power strip, which plugs right into the USB port on the side. Lock on the bottom to control the locking for the drawers on the bottom. And a nice little feature, a separate drawer with its own locking mechanism that cannot be unlocked with the main lock on the toolbox. So if there's something you want to hide, or if you have this in your tool shop and you have a worker that you don't trust and you want to keep stuff away from them, there you go. Separate lock. And that's it. Walk away. And now you have a separate drawer you can keep all your stuff in. So this is my review of the Husky Heavy Duty Industrial Toolbox. It's a very heavy box, made to last. Weighs about 555 pounds. So it took me and 2 other guys to get it in the back of my truck out of the store. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like on the subscribe down below. Thanks. Bye.